How to hard factory reset your Mocreo H5 Lite sensor hub. You're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If your sensors are not syncing up properly or not connecting properly, or the system seems to be freezing or not right, a factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. The second reason you might want to do this is just if you want to set this up totally new, connect new sensors and everything like that, and be able to use this basically as a new device. You can go ahead and do that quite simply. Now, all we're going to do, we're gonna want to have our app ready, but the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to do the factory reset on the hub before we go to step 2. So to do the factory reset on the hub itself, we're just going to use our wheel until we get to settings, and we're going to select settings. Use the wheel, push the wheel to select settings, and here we're going to toggle through until we get to my devices. From my devices, we're going to again hit the wheel, and then we can toggle through these options here. We're going to toggle down to factory reset. I'm going to hit factory reset, and then I'm going to here, it's going to give me a little warning. It can't be undone. It's going to reset everything. I'm going to hit accept. If I hit this, if I want to change my mind, and now it's going to go through everything, and it's going to basically turn back on in its setup mode. So now it's in setup mode, but you'll notice it is still on the app. So what I'm going to do is the step 2 of this is you're going to make sure that you remove it from the app, because it'll show that it hasn't connected properly. But if you want to reconnect it, it's going to be problematic. So then I'm going to do is I'm just going to go on the app, go on the device itself, and I'm going to remove it from the app. And I'm also, because I'm using these sensors with this hub, I'm just going to remove everything, all the sensors, so that when I go to do this, I'm just going to get a clean start, and I can set this up as a brand new device. If this helped, if you leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it.